We're sitting at almost $30 million worth of assets because we have a lot of support from government and industry that believe in the same dream that we looked at a couple of years ago, and it's all happening. So for me, this is kind of the genesis, but it is a way to look at driving the future.
One of the things that we looked at with Area X.0 is the ability to create a 5G mobile command center that is really movable in nature so that we can bring connectivity to places that don't have any connectivity today.
I feel like the power of this place is really the talent, and it comes together through partnerships and through our local talent coming out of post-secondaries.
Drone on, take off in 3, 2, 1.
Partners that we attracted were really well entrenched in the region. Companies like Nokia, of course, Microsoft. So we have a really good slew of global companies. When you put it together, it's like the perfect triple helix environment for going after project activity. One of the attractors for me coming into the role was some of the works coming out of the World Economic Forum on the Fourth Industrial Revolution. It really is the fusion of digital, physical, and biological worlds. When you slam it together, what that means is you've got this world of specialization, like way beyond anything we've ever seen before. So when I think about what we do here, while we're solving some basic problems, the reach of how those solutions can actually find their way into solving big telecommunication problems, or more broadly, we have a very strong healthcare ecosystem here as well. They're all in play. And so there are companies in the Ottawa region that really can play a role in being an equalizer in how the world unfolds. The safety that is coming out of the tech that they have for the long haul will really help people and communities today all over the world. So it's really landing this broad, long-range ambition, but realizing that along the way you're going to be solving problems that really matter to people today, right now on the ground.
Nokia has a long history in the Ottawa area with a very large R&D center in the telecom space, and we're very happy to be working with Area X.0 and the local SMEs to bring solutions to the table that we can bring around the world.